Before a court delivers a judgment, the judge must carefully evaluate all the evidence presented during the trial. But how exactly do judges evaluate evidence in a case? Evidence evaluation is the process through which the judge studies the reliability, consistency, and legal value of the evidence presented by both sides. In a criminal trial, the prosecution first presents evidence to prove that a crime was committed and that the accused is responsible. This evidence may include witness testimony, documents, forensic reports, expert opinions, and material objects related to the case. The defense then has the opportunity to challenge this evidence. They may question the credibility of witnesses. They may point out contradictions in statements. They may argue that the evidence is incomplete or unreliable. The judge does not simply accept evidence at face value. Instead, the judge carefully examines whether the evidence is trustworthy. One important factor is consistency. If different witnesses describe events in a similar and logical way, their testimony may appear more reliable. Another factor is corroboration. If multiple pieces of evidence support the same fact, it strengthens the credibility of the case. The judge also considers whether the evidence was collected according to legal procedures. Evidence obtained through illegal methods may lose its legal value. Judges also look at the overall probability of events. They examine whether the story presented by each side is reasonable and supported by facts. In criminal law, the prosecution must prove the case beyond reasonable doubt. If serious doubt remains, the benefit of that doubt usually goes to the accused. The judge studies the entire record of the trial, including witness testimony, cross-examination, documents, and legal arguments. Only after carefully evaluating all the evidence does the judge reach a final conclusion. This careful evaluation helps ensure that court decisions are based on facts, law, and fairness. Understanding how judges evaluate evidence helps citizens trust the judicial process. Court decisions are not made casually. They are made after detailed analysis of facts and law. Law follows procedure, and procedure protects justice as well as individual rights. Know your rights, understand your responsibilities.